2024 Mustang wide body. All fiberglass pieces are getting prepped and primed. We're trying to get everything ready for paint. As you can see, there's a lot of blams into the fiberglass, so we're trying to take care of it, correct it. It's a slow process. We wish we could get it done a lot faster, but it's just taking a lot of time to do it. But it's coming along. Once we spray the primer, we can actually find little flaws that we can not see when it's just on the base. After sanding everything, we need to blow dry everything and wash everything a couple times to avoid having any residue before we apply another sealer. You have to wash it and clean it. Cleaning, it's very important. If you leave any residue in between the coats of a base or primer, the paint is not gonna adhere and it's gonna look bad. Make sure you take your time to clean and wipe everything down before you start applying the sealer. In this part of the video, you can see where we started to apply a black sealer. These parts are gonna be ready for paint. There are too many parts on the body kit that we have to work with, and as you can see, we have a bunch of parts laying all over the shop, but it's coming along. And this part of the video, we're ready to start spraying the actual base coat. For these, we're using a candy shop base. And we're ready to start spraying it. Right here, we're actually spraying the base coat. After spraying the base coat, we're ready for clear coat. Right here on this part of the video, we're actually starting to spray the clear coat. What we like to do on these parts, after we spray the clear coat, we let them dry for a couple days. We will wet sand everything, and we will do another 2 to 3 coats of a clear coat. This process is called flow coat. The shine on these parts, once they are done, are going to be very, very shiny. And that's it for today.